Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the easy blockers. Check your connection and storage now. Once done, make sure Discord is the latest version and restart the app. This forces pending updates and clears transient locks. Next, verify the folder where files save is writable by your account. Permissions often cause save failures. If you use cloud drives, pause syncing. These first actions remove the most common causes quickly, and they prepare the system for the deeper fixes that follow. Now tackle the complex causes. Clear Discord's cache and GPU cache folders to remove corrupted temporary files that block saves. Once cleared, run Discord as administrator or modify NTFS permissions so your user can write to the target folder. This fixes ownership conflicts. If an antivirus or real-time scanner is active, temporarily disable it and retry. Security tools often quarantine or block file writes. Also test Discord in a browser. If browser saves work, the issue is local to the desktop client. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Discord, delete leftover app data folders and any related registry keys, then install fresh. This removes corrupt binaries and broken integrations. Once reinstalled, reproduce the error and collect debug logs plus system event entries. These explain why saves failed. If reinstall doesn't help, try another device to isolate account versus device issues. Key troubleshooting tip: when contacting support, include timestamps, log files, and exact save paths so engineers can replicate and resolve the issue faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.